Hey guys, welcome back again to my page. If you're just coming across this page for the first time, my name is Jennifer Pebble and you are welcome to my kitchen. On this page I make yummy homemade meals and I show you guys the recipes, of course. Well, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this yummy grilled tilapia fish. If you want to know how I did that, then definitely keep on watching. So this video is pretty much self-explanatory. Here in my blender, I'm just going ahead to add my onions, my green bell peppers, ginger, garlic, fresh peppers, and I'm going to blend it all together. And that's going to be After I'm done blending all of that together, now it's time to marinate my fish. I'm just going ahead to properly dry the fish with a kitchen towel just to make sure that the fish is properly dried and it can be able to absorb all that yumminess I'm about to put on it. Like you can see here, I just went ahead to make incisions on the fish so that it can properly absorb all the flavors. Like I said earlier on, you want to do this, don't skip this step, it's very important. To dry my corn, and then I'm gonna season it and I'm gonna spice it. This is sweet corn, this is not the strong corn, so this doesn't take time to cook or to grill or whatever. So that's what I'm just doing now. I'm going ahead to season it, and yeah, this is pretty much self-explanatory. I don't know why people are always telling me in the comment section to do a voiceover for my videos or something. I think they just like the sound of my voice, really. Because most of my videos, especially my cooking videos, they are pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna let you watch this video and properly understand all the steps. Here I'm going ahead to properly infuse my spices into the corn, and yeah, I hope you learn a tip or two. And remember, never trust a skinny cook. If a skinny person gives you food, you have to be careful about it, okay? Don't mind me, I'm just kidding. Okay, back to the video. So now I'm done marinating my fish and my corn. So I'm just putting my fish on a foil and I'm gonna wrap that up because I want it to still be moist. I don't want it to come out a bit looking dry or anything. I want it to still retain its softness and all of that. So that's why I'm going ahead with the foil, and I'm going to put my corn as well, and I'm going to put all of this into the oven. And yeah, pretty simple. I hope you learn a tip or two. I love you all. Bye. So corn and fish goes into the oven for 20 minutes. Yummy, yummy, tasty. let's make the yummy sauce to go together with this fish. So this is the yummy marinade we made for the fish. We're gonna add it into the stew. In this kitchen, nothing goes to waste, and it also has a lot of flavor, so of course, why not? Allow that to cook for 5 to 10 minutes and then go in with your tomato mix. So this tomato mix consists of onion, fresh tomatoes of course, and some fresh chilies. That's it. So now I'm going in my bell peppers to infuse more flavor into the sauce, and some parsley of course. You can never go wrong with parsley. So yeah. And I'm also going in with curry, seasoning cube, salt, and of course turkey. So I'll let this tomato mix cook for a good 10 to 12 minutes, and now I'm going in with my spring onions for more flavor and also for garnishing and for visual appeal, because we eat with our eyes first, isn't it? And then I'm going to let that cook for another 2 minutes on high heat, and your sauce will be saucing, okay?